Afternoon, everyone. I'm going to talk to you today about using data-driven personalization to drive deposits. Traditional way, we think about maybe some compelling rates. We think about a really competitive rate offer or some incentives to bring customers and members into our environments. But that's getting more and more expensive. Or we think about maybe giving them some tools like PFM tools to help them better save, to better understand their spending. But we see that really in terms of engagement and adoption of those tools, historically they have not been where we need them to be. So I'd like to give you a different point of view. I'd like you to think about using that customer or member's financial data, giving them the analytics and surfacing those, and what that can mean in terms of their relationship with your organization. Whether it be actionable advice that you can give them, personalized journeys, or even using this analytics to drive more deep connections with the human channels like the banker or the agents. What we've done in the past few years is to take all those learnings and to put them into a box so we can deploy them really easily for institutions like yours. So you're not going to need hundreds of hours to stand something like this up. With the Q2 platform, it's turnkey. So what is in the box? It starts with transaction enrichment, understanding the data so that the analytics and your customers and members can understand their financial activity. There's a set of financial trackers to help members make and understand their financial decisions. And really on the right-hand side, they're what we call actionable insights. These are ways that we can interpret that member's data today and inform them what they should be doing, what they should be acting on. That's the platform. I want to now talk how that platform drives deposits. Three main areas that we drive action for our members and customers. The first is we approach those customers with timely opportunities. If you just get a bonus, that financial institution can now come to you and say what you should do with it. If your cash flow is running low, maybe there's an opportunity to move money from another institution that we see the money's been flowing to for the past few months. We reimagine the savings journey, not just a savings account, but a savings account that can help me save towards my goals, automate my funds into those goals, and keep track of those goals with nudges and daily reminders how I'm doing. And then we bring this intelligence to the internal teams, the marketing teams and the banker teams, the tellers and the agents, so that they can see a better picture of what's happening. And we can drive that strategy to see where those funds might be flowing outside the organization. As we think about what the marketplace has offered to Personetics, it's all about business impact and streamlining that integration. We can stand up an environment for you in just a few short weeks, embedded in the Q2 experience, inside of the traditional dashboard, or the composable dashboard as that comes online. Thank you for the time. Great chatting.